We're going to actually look at measuring, so taking measurements. Okay, so I got two lines on the board and I got a rule up there. How far apart are those two lines?
Looks like about 5.5 centimeters.
5.5 centimeters, or whatever unit that happens to be. We'll go with centimeters. Okay, is it exactly 5.5?
Well, no, it's about 5.5.
Well, I mean, let's see. If we get into this spot right here, okay. Well, that was interesting. I guess I can't circle that. We can see that it's a little bit above the half, a little bit below the 6, and it is actually a little bit closer to...
A little bit closer to the 0.5 side than the 0.6 side.
So how would you write this measurement down?
Well, I know the 5.
Definitely know the 5, right?
Put a point there. I definitely know this number. And just guessing, I'm going to say 4.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but close enough, I guess.
But close enough, right? It's not quite to half. Okay. So when we're looking at this measurement, do we know every single digit for sure?
Well, I know this one for sure.
You know that one for sure. You know that one for sure.
I guess you might have said 5.53, but I guess it's better than what I said at first, about 5.5.
Okay. So of all these digits up there, are they all valid? Are they all part of your measurement?
Well, sure, yeah.
I
worked to get all those.
You worked to get all those. Those are all valid. Now let's say I randomly come up here and I say it's 5.541. Can I say that?
No. How would you have gotten that much closer?
This is what I'm going to call a wag. Okay? Ask me about it later. Okay? That's a guess. We don't know about that. Okay? These first three numbers we definitely know about. So those are valid, or what we call significant digits. Okay? And so measurements have significance, and it depends completely on your tool how many digits you can get. Okay? With a ruler, usually the rule is you can estimate one more place than your measuring device measures to. Okay? So our measuring device has millimeters marked on it.
So I can go to 1/10 of a millimeter.
So you can go to 1/10 of a millimeter. Since a millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter, we can go 100th of a centimeter. Okay? All right. So our measuring device limits our precision, and so precision is denoted in significant digits, how precise our measurement is. Okay?